Are you still struggling with your past? Do you still regret or what you did or what you did not, or what the people said to you? Then it's time you wage war over your mind. So guys, what am I talking about? Guys, मैं यहाँ पे the art of raging war over your mind की बात कर रहा हूँ. And this thing is a very important thing in our life if we ever try to learn this. Because guys, most of the time we are all lost in our past, and either we are lost in the past or we think of the future. So that's why we are missing the present. That's why so much people are missing the present. So guys, what do I mean by raging war over your mind? You have to be stoic in terms of leaving your past behind and moving into the present. So guys, होता क्या है? People said something to us rather mean or something which we don't like. What do? We keep running that thing over in our mind again and again. Imagine this. You are a general in a war, and you are going into a war thinking that you won the past battle. Now you will win that battle again because of the same tactic you applied on the previous battle. So guys, मैं किस बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ? Guys, हर present moment एक different moment है, and we can't just strategize things based on what we lost or what we win in the past. So guys, होता क्या है? We become so rigid in our day-to-day life that हमें लगता है कि जो भी हमने past में किया and जो भी हमने strategies अपनाई and whatever the things we did, that we will apply in the present and we will get the same result. But no, that the one thing that war teaches us is never to apply the past wins or losses in your life ever again. So guys, आप सोच रहे होंगे मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. Guys, just imagine this. Every present moment is a different moment. You have to adapt. You have to change your perspective towards the changing times. And guys, हम करते क्या हैं? That we don't rage war over our mind. That we think that what happened in the past and what happened will keep on happening. The people that were with us in the past will stay there. It's a jungle. No one and nothing is promised. So the thing is that if you are trying, or if you are struggling with your past and what people said to you on whatever they did to you, or I'm not saying that whatever they did is right. They might have done wrong deeds to you, but the thing is that हमें stoic रहना पड़ेगा, because you have to look deep inside in yourself and learn to rage war over your mind. Because guys, what do you think? You wanna get lost in the past and miss the present? Your life will pass by and you will think the time you squandered on those people, on those situations, on those circumstances will never get back. Okay, let me take another example. What is today? Today is Tuesday. I'm recording this video on Tuesday. How many Tuesdays do you think we got left? I tell you, whatever that number is, it's a finite number. So if you think you have all the time in the world, no. We got so many days which are numbered. So make them count. And whenever I'm kicked down, I'm lost, whatever I do it with passion. And what do I do is the most important thing in my life, and I do it with my utmost passion and ability. So do it harder and do it with all your gut, instinct and passion, and never get lost in the past, because guys, past has no place in the present. And please don't misunderstand me. Past, you can make beautiful memories, you can look back and enjoy them, that's the thing, but don't get lost in it. क्योंकि guys, एक बार आप खो गए ना, वापस आना बहुत मुश्किल है, बिकॉज आई हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. So if you're struggling with it, and if you're still stumbling across the people, what they said, just move on. Rage war over your mind. Thank you for watching this video. This is Guruman Singh, and you are watching New Trafford Beast.